Okay students, so now we will learn again another method for pair of linear equation in two variables. That method's name is cross multiplication method. Okay, it's a very complex method and also a very easy method that can just do your work in just a half of a page. Okay, it's a method is complex, but it's a huge shorter. It's a very much shorter than that of the substitution method and also the elimination method. Okay, but it is a bit complex, but it is short. Okay, so in this type of method, what we need to do is we need the equation in this form. Actually the linear equation is in this form only. Okay, see a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2, a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2, they all are what? They are numbers. They are all numbers, they are all constants. Okay, they are, don't think that they are variables. They are not variables, they are actually constants. Like see 2x plus 3y, see 2 and 3, like these type of constants are a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2. Okay, we are just naming them in general in form of variables. Okay, they're actually not variables, they are constants. The only variables are x, y, x, y. Okay, they are variables. Now see, when we need to do cross multiplication, we have to take all the constants from the right hand side also and put them to the left hand side, so that we get the right hand side as 0. This is a compulsory step to do in cross multiplication. Okay, now see what is being done. Now the thing that is done is we have to write x then y then 1, like that, x then y then 1. Now below x we have to write something. So what we have to write? Cover the x. What can you see? After covering the x, you can see b1 b2, or over there you can see c1 c2. So don't write the variables because we have written x and y, we have written already. Don't look at the variables. Okay, just overlook the variables. Now you are writing for x, so cover x. See what you can see, b1 b2 and c1 c2. See, I have written b1 b2 c1 c2. Okay, by covering x I have written b1 b2 c1 c2. That's why I have written below x. Okay, now again what comes after x? Y. Cover y. After covering y, what you can see? c1 c2, and over here you can see a1 a2. Now see, c1 c2 is already present. Now again if I write c1 c2, so it will be overlap, so we just keep c1 c2. Okay, but just by covering y, see, by covering y what we can see? c1 c2 and over here a1 a2. Okay, don't look at the variables. Okay, just look at the coefficients. Okay, the c1 c2 is already present, so we skip c1 c2, but we write a1 a2. See, a1 a2 c1 c2, so we skip c1 c2, a1 a2 we write. Okay, we write a1 a2. Now next this part, so this is the actually one part, one portion, so I cover this one. Now what you can see? a1 a2 b1 b2 by covering this one. Okay, now see, already a1 a2 is written, so what is not written? b1 b2. Okay, b1 b2 is not written, just beside b1 b2 is not written. Okay, or a1 a2 is already written, but if you write a1 a2 then again a1 a2, it will be just a waste of time, so we write b1 b2. Understood how this pattern is being formed? Now the actual cross multiplication is done like that. See, we need to write x by, now we have to cross multiply. Now the cross multiply works like that, this one is multiplied with this one. Okay, then a minus sign is given. See, I have given a minus sign over there also. Then this one is multiplied with this one. Okay, see, b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Again for this one also, this is y under y, so I have written under y. c1 a2 minus c2 a1. See, c1 a2 minus c2 a1. Okay, now this one, see, a1 b2, see, a1 b2, again minus sign, a2 b1, a2 b1. Okay, understood how this whole thing has been formed? Okay, like this it has been formed. Now to solve this, we need to take a real life example. So in a real life example, to solve this, actually we need to take first x equal to this one to find out x, then we will find y equal to this one to find out y. Okay, let me copy one question and I will make you explain. See, now I have written the whole thing in this format. The equation is x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0, 3x minus 9y minus 2 equal to 0. See, the thing that I have told you, that the right hand side must be equal to 0, I have maintained that. Okay, you also have to maintain that, or else the answer will be wrong. Now under x, what we should write? Just by covering x, what we get? Minus 3 minus 9. See, minus 3 minus 9, you need to write it with the signs. Okay, see, minus 3 minus 9, again minus 3 minus 2. See, minus 3 minus 9, I am just writing a little bit closer or there will be no space left. Minus 3 minus 9, then minus 3 minus 2, minus 3 minus 2. Okay, then cover y. cover this y. What we get? See, minus 3. See on the left hand side what is given? 1. Over here it is 1, nothing is there, that means it's 1 and 3. But over here minus 3 minus 2, but we have already done minus 3 and minus 2. So we will write 1 and 3, that is on the left hand side, 1 and 3. But because minus 3 and minus 2 we have already written, so I will write 1 and 3. Okay, now the last one is to cover this one. Okay, see, 1 and 3 minus 3 minus 9. See, 1 and 3 already written, so we need to write what? Minus 3 minus 9. Minus 3 minus 9. Done. This one, the plotting is done. Now we need to do this one. The actual cross multiplication equals to y by equals to 1 by. See, I have given right that. Now multiply minus 3 and minus 2. So minus 3 minus 2. Okay, then give a minus sign in between, then multiply both of them. Okay, minus 9 minus 3. Okay, minus 9 minus 3. See, minus 3 minus 2, give a minus sign, minus 9 minus 3. Next one also, minus 3 into 3. So minus 3 into 3, give a minus sign in between. Again minus 2 into 1, minus 2 into 1. Okay, next for 1, see, minus 1 into minus 9, 1 into minus 9. Okay, give a minus sign in between, see in between a minus sign. Then 3 into minus 3, 3 into minus 3. Okay, understood this? Now we will solve this one. I will simplify this one. See what happens. X by minus 3 into minus 2 is 6. Okay, minus into minus is plus, then minus into minus is plus, but again there is a minus, so there will be a minus. 9 3s are, it will be 27. Okay, equal to this one, y divided by minus 3 into 3 is minus 9. Okay, then minus into minus is plus, 2 1s are 2. Okay, equal to 1 divided by minus 9, it will remain minus 9, minus into minus 9, so plus 9. Okay, but there is a problem over here. There is a problem over here. It's coming to be 1 by 0. So 1 by 0 means it's actually infinity. So this equation has no solutions. This equation has no solutions. I have just taken a bad example. You have no solutions for this equation. A very very bad example I have taken for you. But let it be. Let it suppose let it be. Suppose I'm just not taking this one. Okay, just not considering this one. Let it be equal to this one. This one I'm not considering because it's actually coming as infinity. You know 1 by 0 equals to infinity. Okay, so I am just not considering this case. I'm just considering some random in my mind. Suppose let it be 1 by 2. Just let it be 1 by 2. Let it be. Okay, let it be 1 by 2. Now we will solve. See, again one more step can be done. X divided by this one, 6 minus 27. So it will be minus 21. Okay, this one will be y by minus 9 plus 2, that is minus 7. Okay, yes, minus 7 equal to 1 by 2. Okay, equal to 1 by 2. So this is the thing that we get after doing all this. Now what we have to do is, after that, first we need to take x equal to this thing. So x by minus 21 is equal to 1 by 2. So how much will be x? Just cross multiply. X equals to minus 21 by 2. See, I found out x. Just this is an arbitrary one. Okay, this is not the real one, because the real one example I have taken a very bad example that gives you actually no solution. So you found out x like that. See, you have to make x equal to this one, this constant portion, to find out x. Okay, next you have to make y equal to this constant portion to find out y. So y by minus 7 will give you 1 by 2. Then from here y equal to minus 7 by 2. Okay, y equal to minus 7 by 2. This is your answer for y. This is your answer for x. This is your answer for y. Understood? This was a very bad example that I have taken, but still I hope you understood the main concept of doing these sums. Okay, okay, thank you.